Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to delete job alerts on LinkedIn. So this is really simple and pretty straightforward, so let me show you right now. First, go over to the job section, so click on jobs, and then navigate towards preferences, click on that as well. Now you have job alerts button right here, so click on it. And here you should see all of your job alerts. Now pick the one that you want to delete. So let's select this one by clicking this pencil icon, which is to edit, and you can edit alert frequency, so daily or weekly. You can delete notification type, email and notification email, or only notification. And down here you can delete job alert, so click on that and then confirm by clicking delete. Now press done, and as you can see, this job alert has been deleted. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.